Hello friends, how are you doing today? I hope you must be doing great, and this is Parvez. Again, warmly welcome to all of you on my channel Global Studies Aspirants. And as you can see on your computer screen friends, today we're gonna talk about the Himalayan vegetations, and this part of topic we're gonna discuss about further the regional wild fruits. Fine. But before proceed on the topic, I will humble request to all of you that please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you'll be getting all the essential notifications instantly on your phone. Thanks a lot. Fine, so let's explore the regional wild fruits, and this is the first one slide on your computer screen friends over here. And first of all, we're going to talk about the Himalayan strawberry. Fine, so friends, here I will let you know the main features of this Himalayan strawberry. Fine, let's start it right from here. The Himalayan strawberry tree fruits, you know what, are very small and oval in shape, and it's very delicate, thin skin textured and rough surface. Fine, and finally it was covered in soft and tiny bristle like protrusions, right? And let's further talk about this fruit. Strawberry tree bloom in the fall through winter. Fine, and the fruits ripen in the late summer. Finally, when the late summer come, that's finally it is the time when it's grown up, and through the entire seasons the processes is going on. Fine, so it is multicolored and fine, and finally it's used to flavor enhancer in the industries. So it is used on a very large scale in industries for a commercial purpose, you can say it is used. Fine, and near about the 12 months to grow. Finally it takes most probably 12 months to grow completely. It is excellent source of fiber, and fiber is very important as per your digestive tracts, and it's very important in vitamin C, and which further strengthen the immune system. Fine, so hope you must be getting. So it is also used as jams spread over the biscuits, toast and buns, as you can observe in your homes or in functions like ceremonies, so you can observe these kind of things. Fine, so this is the end of this first one slide. Let's go further on the second one here. And now let's talk about the Himalayan cherry. This is the second wild fruit generally found in the Himalayas region and hilly stations, mostly from west to east Himalayan. And initially friends, the color is yellow, and after some time it turns into red color. Fine, and when finally it ripens, and overall saved fruit beneficial for indigestions, leprosy and vomiting. Fine, and especially for it's very useful, helpful for asthma, diarrhea and leukoderma. Fine, and if you talk about the size of this fruit, then it has a medium size deciduous tree that grows up to 30-meter size. Fine, it went up to 30-meter size, and generally it prefers light sandy, medium loamy, moisture retentive and heavy clay soil. Fine, so these are some varieties of soils where preferably it grows. Fine, green dye can be obtained from the fruits, and apart from this the green dye also is obtained from this fruit. Fine, I hope you must be getting that's it. And apart from this friends, it branches, twigs, leaves, fruits, every part of these important fruits are used in medicinal purpose. Fine, so I hope you must have understood all our features and facts of this Himalayan cherry. Let's move forward. Here the last one's slide of today's lecture. Fine, friends, let's talk about the persimmon. Fine, this is also a wild, you can say the wild forest fruit generally found in the hill region of Himalayan hill region. Fine, and this ripened fruit is very soft, sweet and a gastronomic delight. Fine, and this fruit is a native of China. You know friends, ultimately is found in China, but it was introduced in India first time by European settlers in the early 20th century. Fine, and let's talk forward here. The fruit is rich in vitamin A and vitamin C. Fine, and it is also loaded with manganese, which helps in maintaining healthy mucous membranes and skin. Fine, so it is very important for your overall health perspective, fine, and it finally protects against lung and mouth cancers, fine. And apart from this, persimmons are an excellent source of fiber, B complex, vitamins and copper and phosphorus, and further it is very low in calories and fats, and this little fruit contains antioxidants too, so it's very important for, as per your all our over healthy prospects, fine. And however, excessive consumption, so it but in case you have to ignore this fruit, in case if you are gonna to take it, if you are gonna take it in excessive consumption, so it may be a very harmful to you, so you have to be very careful when you are gonna eat it, fine. So friends, this is the short lecture which I delivered today, and I sincerely appeal again to all of you that please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, so you'll be getting all the essential notifications instantly on your phone. So thanks for watching, thanks for tuning. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye. Thank you.